Hello, I'm Nahida and welcome to Innovent Foods. Today let's make something rich, creamy and full of flavor, Egg Malai Tikka Curry. It's an easy twist on a classic, perfect with rice, naan or even paratha. Let's get cooking. Take 3 boiled eggs. Cut them into chunks and set aside. Eggs are rich in protein, vitamins and healthy fats. In a blender, add 1 chopped tomato, 2 green chilies, and 1 tablespoon coriander leaves. Blend it into a smooth masala paste. Tomatoes and onions are loaded with antioxidants. Now in a pan, heat 2 tablespoons of oil, add half teaspoon cumin, and then half cup chopped onion. Cook until slightly brown. Pour in the blended tomato masala. Add 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. Then season with half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon chili powder, half teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon garam masala, half teaspoon pepper powder, and half teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder. Cook for 30 seconds. Use Kashmiri chili powder for rich color without too much heat. Add 2 tablespoons water. Add 2 tablespoons beaten curd and 2 tablespoons fresh cream. The word Malai simply means cream in Hindi, and it brings that luxurious texture to the dish. Egg curries are popular across South Asia, with each region adding its unique twist. Pour in half cup water, stir and cook for 2 minutes. Always beat the curd before adding to avoid curdling. Finally, add the egg pieces. Let them shimmer in the malai gravy for 2 to 3 minutes. Don't overcook the eggs after adding them, it keeps the texture soft. That's it. Rich, flavorful egg malai tikka curry is ready to serve. This recipe is inspired by the flavors of both North Indian and Mughlai kitchens. Tell us in the comments if you will try this for dinner tonight. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Innovent Foods for more easy and exciting recipes. Stay blessed, stay inspired and keep cooking from the heart.